I'm going to show you all an updated version of how to circle crop your video in Premiere Pro. You want to select your video and then go down to the Object Mask tool right here. If you left click and drag, this will give you the option for the Ellipse Mask tool. So now if we hold Shift, drag this out, we can get ourselves a nice circle. With the circle, at the moment, nothing will happen. You will just have a mask right here, which you can then press Control or Command and C, go further down to opacity and press Control or Command and V to paste it onto here. So you basically want to apply it onto your opacity. And finally, in Premiere Pro, we have a very easy way to crop our video. We have honestly wanted this for such a long time, and Adobe have finally delivered. If you wanted to, you can also readjust by going back to the mask and then adjusting it anywhere else on the video. You can also use other options such as feather if you want the edges to be nice and soft. You can lower the opacity. You can also expand or contract if you need it to be smaller, and then if you want, let's say, soft edges. So this will give you this effect right here.